Water circulation in a boiler is necessary for two reasons. First, it provides a constant supply of water to be turned into steam. And secondly, it carries the intense heat of the boiler furnace away from the boiler tubes, preventing the overheating and rupturing of the tubes. In a typical drum-type boiler, the water flow path includes an economizer, the boiler drum, downcomers, headers, and the boiler tubes. The water that is supplied to a boiler is called feed water. The first component that the feed water passes through is the economizer. The economizer uses heat from combustion gases that would otherwise flow out of the stack to heat the feed water. Heating the feed water means that less fuel has to be burned in the furnace to convert the water into steam. In this boiler, the heated feed water flows from the economizer and enters the bottom part of the boiler drum through the feed water inlet. The water continually circulates within the boiler through the downcomers, the lower headers, and the boiler tubes. A boiler typically has 2 or more downcomers and 2 or more headers. However, for clarity, this illustration shows only one of each. The lower headers supply water to the bottoms of the boiler tubes. The boiler tubes, which line the inside walls of the boiler furnace, are commonly called water walls. The water walls are exposed to the heat produced by burning fuel. As water flows up through the water walls, heat turns some of the water into steam. The mixture of water and steam rises until it enters the boiler drum, where it's separated into water and steam. The steam rises to the top of the drum, and the water remains in the bottom. The water is then available to recirculate through the boiler.